Hey everybody, what's going on? Greg here with Z21 Learning, and today we're going to take a look at how to download pictures and videos from Twitter. Occasionally you might find that you need to go ahead and download a picture or even a tweet or video from Twitter, and it is relatively easy to do. So let's go ahead and jump into it. For today, I'm just on the Deschutes County Sheriff's Twitter page. I'm going to scroll down here, and let's say I need to download and use this picture. So what I would do is I just click on the picture, and then I can right click on it, and I have this option of saving the image. So I can press save image as, and I can just save my raw media folder and just call this prescribed burn pic. It is going to save this format as JPEG large. So do keep that in mind. So when I save this and I try to bring it into a program like Premiere Pro or After Effects, it may go ahead and have some issue with that. It's not a problem. We can actually go ahead and change this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it from being a JPEG large to just being a JPEG. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm just going to go ahead and delete the underscore large portion. And then it's going to say, hey, you're about to change this. Are you sure you want to do that? I'm going to go, yep, use JPEG. And now when I bring this picture into Premiere Pro or After Effects or even Photoshop, I should have no problems whatsoever. Now occasionally you might come across a picture that you try to download and you can't seem to download it. This is an example right up here. I click on this picture. It's going to go ahead and say, hey, you want to save this whole entire web page? And I'm going, no, I just want to save the picture. So what do you do in a case like this? Well, my workstation, I happen to be on a Mac. If you're on a PC, you can just do a screen grab. Just press the print screen button on your keyboard. With Macs, you don't have a print screen button, but you do have a keyboard shortcut that you can use to kind of do the same thing. That happens to be Command-Shift-4. You do that, and you notice my cursor changed from being the cursor, the regular thing. Yeah, I don't know what you call that, the regular cursor, to being kind of this sort of bullseye that gives you coordinates and stuff. So what I can do is I can go ahead and drag a box around the image here. And when I let go, it's going to go ahead and save this picture to my desktop. And I actually see it right over here. And when I do that, double click on it, opens it up in preview, and I have the same picture. We also notice it's pretty much the same size as the one that is on the Twitter page. So regardless of whether you can save the picture by right-clicking on it and saving the image as, or just doing this method, both ways work. The one thing I would caution is if you are going to go ahead and do kind of a screen grab like this, make sure you don't get outside of the picture here. It's going to look really kind of bad when you bring it into Premiere Pro or something else to go ahead and animate it. So really just kind of focus on getting inside of the picture. So you're probably thinking, okay, that's great. Yeah, I know how to do pictures. How do I get videos down? Well, let's talk about that. So in this case, there is a video that they happen to have on their page. And if I play it, there really isn't any sort of way of downloading it. So what I can do is I can right click on the video and I can copy the video address. So I'm going to do that. And then I happen to have another tab open here in Chrome. And the website is www.downloadtwittervideo.com. Basically, all I have to do, just clear that out, is just paste the Twitter video address in there. It's going to take a second. It's thinking about it. Then it opens up this window that allows me to go ahead and save it. And I'll just save it in my raw media folder. That's totally fine. It's going to take a couple seconds to download. Yeah, once it's done, I'll let it open. So it's downloaded. I can preview it. If this had audio attached to it, it would also include the audio. And I can then bring this into my Premiere Pro project and edit it with our video or just send to Audacity or do whatever. Okay, that's it in a nutshell. Pretty basic, pretty simplistic stuff. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time, take it easy.